Raise the teeth. Yeah. Did you guys see that? Thumbnail.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
Hey guys, so I am here currently cooking dinner. I'm making something quick and easy. It's what, 5:28 right now? Yes. Yeah, so I'm just cooking an easy meal, nothing too much. Let me show you guys what I'm making. Just making some ground beef here, and we are making tacos. Yeah, so I'm making tacos, soft and hard tacos for tonight. That is dinner. Yeah. So look, it actually looks purple, Mr. So yeah, I'm just making that. So Rissa ended up cutting up she looked about the lettuce for me, so I was able to get, let me put you guys up somewhere. There we go. So Rissa ended up looking about it's still sliding. So Rissa ended up looking about the lettuce for me. And this thing is still sliding. So yeah, she did the lettuce. So oh god. Yeah, so Rissa did the lettuce for me, so I just gotta grate the cheese and what else? Yeah, that's pretty much all I gotta do. So I'm just here, and that's pretty much it. And then I got the sour cream, I got my chipotle sauce, and I also have a salsa, and that's pretty much it. I don't have enough hair, so there will be no hair in it. So that's pretty much it. So pretty much a simple dinner. Actually, I think I'm gonna make. So next I'll make a couple of rice. Yeah. I don't know if I should make a couple of rice, but yeah. Romario is in the bathroom. I think we're supposed to see what they're doing. Alright. Let me see if I can just show you guys. Papi Chulo! Hi!
He turned over Mario's lunch pan and I had to put back everything in it. So.
Mario, are you giving Faye trouble? Huh? Psst. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi, everybody. Say hello. Yeah, say hello. Say I'm 9 months old and I'm giving a whole heap of trouble, a whole heap of talking. Oh, and I'm almost walking. Yay! How much teeth you have now? Say I got six teeth. Where's the teeth? Where's the teeth? Yeah. So you only can see the two. You have 4 up top, guys. So there's 4 up top. Yeah.
Bye, I'm going outside, leaving. Bye.
You're going outside? Are you gonna show them your new style?
You're not going.
I'm gonna see if I could catch it on camera for you guys.
It's
oh
too
gosh,
heavy.
we've been laughing like crazy. I know. Put him down.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Pops has this new thing that he does. It is hilarious. When you see it, you can't help but laugh. And I don't know even where he got it from. We just saw him started doing it within the last couple of days. Oh, let's go get him because he's gonna go through the door with Faith. Yeah, so it's been like crazy. But yeah, I just figured like, you know what, I'm not doing much, but I will catch some footage for you guys. Because like I said, I'm not really doing much. So yeah, and that's pretty much it. tomorrow I know we have some running around to go do, and yeah, and get those things done. So maybe we'll be able to bring you guys along with us, so then you guys can see that as well. But yeah, we're not doing too much. Just here, keeping myself busy as usual. You know, as you know, I'm a homebody. Well, I'm a homebody here. I like when I'm back home, I like to be outside and actually do things. Even if I'm just sitting outside on a veranda or just under a tree. Like for me, I'm a nature person, so I love that. But here, there's just nothing to do. So, you know, especially cold time, it's inside. And then at least when you're in, hopefully you don't spend as much. You know. You can put him down by his toys or something. Just put him over, turn the light on and put him by his toys so he can play. Oh. Let there be light. And there was light. The little man was playing with his toys. Oh. And his chicken bone that he was eating. Ow! Shoot! God, he keeps hopping on me. Oh. So I'm just gonna finish do this, and then I'm gonna grater the cheese and then put it down. So that's pretty much it. Gotta wake up from Mario in a half an hour. I'm gonna wake him up. So, and dinner's almost ready. Quick, easy, like what, 15-20 minute meal? Love it. I love like easy meals like this, especially like it is the weekend now coming up, pretty much. So Papa, where are you going? I can't wait till the summertime so I'm able to like take him out and go do things with him. Because obviously he's getting a little bit older, so he'll definitely be walking by then. So we can do more things, take him to the park and stuff like that. And just get out of the house. Go. Did he take a step?
Yes, he did.
Let me see, guys. Let's see if I can catch him. Did you guys see that? Oh my god. My baby took off. He almost, well, did he take a step? Or was I wrong? Wait, let's rewind that. Did he just take a step? Do it again, Rissa. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Oh my god. He literally just turned 9 months yesterday. Put him up. See if he'll do it. Oh my god. Let's see. I'm gonna parcel out some meat. Some breasts, and I'll show you guys how I parcel out my breasts. So I have these pound bags that we brought from back home. We usually stock up on them when I come up here, so I have enough supply to last me at least for a year. But this time, I didn't end up getting enough, so I'm just gonna show you how I do them. So sometimes I usually clean them and season it, but not this time around. I have other things to do. So since usually Mario alone pretty much eat breast. Well, we all eat breast, but breast is so expensive. It's usually I buy generally for Mario alone. If I do make like fajitas, then I will use more on breast. I'll tie this so to save bags, and then I just add the other one on top. Right? So then when they want to use it, so if I'm using two breasts, I have two, but if they want to use it, they could just cut here, and then this one's still saved, and then you just use the one, either one, you use the one at top. So when they cut, so there you go, you have two of them in one bag, but you can cut here, so you can use this one when you want to cook, and then this one can still stay. So that's what I've been doing. I've been parceling up my bags. I'm just gonna continue doing that. And usually when I buy like leg and thigh too, I parcel it as well, because I know the portions that I cook. Sunday portions different from every other day, because we usually do Sunday Mondays. For those that know what Sunday Monday is, leave it, let us know down in the comments. And do you guys do Sunday Monday at your place? Or is it only, oh, let me turn this off. Okay, there we go. Alright, so that is, so that's what, two containers of meat. So that's 8 breasts. So see, so at 8 bags, I got four bags in each here. Yeah, thumbnail. Oh good. Yeah, so I'm done. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 bag of meat here. So this is what? 24. Yeah, bag of meat, 24. So I'm gonna put these in the fridge. Maybe I'll come back and show you guys my quesadilla or not. We'll see. Alright, so I'm making my quesadillas, but I'm doing it ground beef. Usually, well, you make it with chicken, but that's okay. You make it this way too. So I am doing it both ways. I'm just waiting for it to be finished. And I'm gonna put this bad boy over. Okay, I wonder if we can cook it now. Let's see. Okay, good. Yum, yum. Okay, and let it cool off a little bit. I just have to warm this back up because I'll just let it heat up a little bit. And yeah, pretty much it's ready for dinner. To go eat, and yeah, that's pretty much all we're going to do. Alright, this one. Oh, there is my quesadilla, guys. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of sour cream on the side and maybe some chipotle sauce. Yeah, and then you have the salsa here. So I'm gonna do a hard taco as well. And yeah, so that's what we're having. And then you have the small wraps for who wants small wraps. So that is what we are having for dinner.